Hello everyone and welcome to another interesting video. Today we're going to be talking about staking and mining. So what is crypto mining? Okay, crypto mining is part of something called proof of work, POW. Alright, here you're mining crypto. Okay, miners use powerful computers to solve complex math problems. The first to solve it gets to add a block to the blockchain and is rewarded with crypto like BTC. Now, for instance, this is not your normal crypto mining like you do on Telegram. Here we use machines. Okay, the downside of crypto mining is we use hardware, expensive hardware machines. You can see, and the white picture over there is an example of the kind of machines used for crypto mining, and they are very expensive. Okay, so expensive, very expensive. Some cost over $21,000, some $6,000, depending on the type you want to buy. And they consume high electricity. Alright, they consume high electricity. For the people I know, and somebody I'm following on YouTube uses one of these, or has one of these big mining rigs, and he has to use solar for him to be able to manage it. So it's very expensive and it's not beginner friendly. Before you go into it, you have to study, have somebody put you through one after the other, the processes involved. There are a lot of things involved in crypto mining. Alright, so it's like a digital race, so the first to get the prize wins it. So that's what crypto mining really is. Alright, now the next thing we're going to talk about is staking. What is staking? Now, staking means locking up your crypto to help secure the network and validate transactions. Alright, you lock up a crypto for a period of time, or months, or year, depending on how long you want to do that. So it helps to validate transactions. Okay, you return your end rewards. Okay, like a kind of interest for your staking. And then in staking, you don't need mining rigs. No high energy costs. You only need exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and the rest. You think of staking like putting your money in a vault and earning rewards for helping the system to stay secure. So that's what staking really it's all about. Okay. All right. So staking versus mining. Now, for staking, the mechanism about staking is for mining, is proof of work, while for staking is proof of stake. For mining, what we need is gear. We need physical gear, alright, like hardware, as I showed you in the picture earlier. And then for staking, you only need your crypto and your wallet. Then for the energy used, like I said, mining, the use high energy. So while for staking, you don't need much of energy, it's low. The reward for staking is solving the mathematical problems that comes with it, and then while for staking is validating. All right, so another thing here is which one is right for you. Which one do you think is right for you? Like if you're new into crypto, I'll advise if you want to earn easy money and straight money is staking. All right, that's my own personal advice, but it's left for you. So staking entry point is better, it's easier, it's greener, and it can be done directly from your phone. But if you are tech savvy and you have cheap electricity, fine, you can go for mining. Alright? So no matter whatever you choose, it all depends on some basic things. So it's always good to do your own research. Alright? So very important. So the bonus here is there's liquid staking. Okay, if you want to join liquid staking, it's easy. For instance, if you need more information, you can contact me. Alright? You don't have to lock up your funds. You can still put it there and still be able to have access to your coin at any time. So it's a game changer for DeFi users. Okay, so it's quite flexible and rewarding. Okay, so there's liquid staking. Do your research. If you need more information, you can always contact me. Alright, so thank you very much. I hope you understand the difference between staking and mining. Alright, so the two of them run differently. Okay. So if you enjoy this video, it's quite short and interesting. If you enjoy the video, you can subscribe to my channel and always click the like button. I have more videos coming soon. So have a wonderful day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.